Why is choosing skills important in a learning platform, you may ask? Well, when you choose the skills you want to work towards, you're taking charge of your career destiny. By specifying the skills you're interested in, first tailors your learning experience to match your goals and interests. You'll discover relevant content, resources, and learning paths that can propel you forward in your career journey. As you enhance your skills, you bring fresh ideas, best practices, and cutting-edge knowledge to the table. You become a catalyst for positive change, inspiring your colleagues and fueling your company's success. Improving your skills sets you apart from the crowd. You become a sought-after professional, unlocking exciting career opportunities, promotions, and the satisfaction of knowing that you're at the top of your game. First makes it a breeze to choose the skills you're working towards. Select the skills you need to progress your career and see the skills of the leaders in your organisation. You also get personalised skill recommendations based on your career goals. It's time to define your path, pursue your passions, and watch your career soar to new heights.